Good morning, everyone. It is August 17th, and I thought I'd just wrap up exactly how we finished up the red onion preserving project. I knew we had the video before. I'm picking it and then putting it on the racks, and also they finally dried up, and I am freezing them today. I started yesterday, so I'll show you that. Got about 6 bags, and they're gallon bags in the freezer, and that's maybe like a third of the buckets full that we had, and we're going to continue today. So I'll have a time release so I can show you the whole thing, but I'll just take you a little walkabout. And this is, as you recall, the racks where they were all drying, and I went ahead and took them off the racks and removed all of the leaves, and the leaves and the pieces from cutting them to go in the freezer will all go out to the compost pile so we can make good soil for the future. So let's go this way, and I'll just walk through, and as I come to a spot that's interested in what we did yesterday, we'll stop and look. So first up is the freezer. So opening this. So these are the bags that we got yesterday. So they're all labeled, all frozen, and so we have 6 gallons right there. But the area where I work in is around the other side. So once I cut the dead and dying leaves off, I put them in this gorilla cart right here, and the pile was really kind of big yesterday. And what I do is I take some out of here and put them on top of our other cart, and because it's higher up and I could sit down and take my time and do the projects and bending over every 2 seconds. And so I've refilled this area. I'll get these done this morning. Maybe I'll get these done, but at least it'll be finished by the end of the day. And after I kind of roll it over, put it by the chair, I'll go ahead and cut the ends off and take the couple layers of the outside off so that they're nice and happy and shiny. And then what I'll do is cut them so they're little smaller pieces, usually in quarters, and put them in this, which is our food processor. It's a Breville, and I have the blade, the slicing blade here, so it'll make nice slices for us. Then take that out, empty it in our little labeled gallon red onion bag, freezer bag, and Kevin had got me this nifty little thing. It helps keep the bag open while you're trying to navigate dumping into it. And then off to that freezer we talked about. So I'll put it on time lapse, and we'll see how much of the pile we can get done this morning. I'll talk to you a little bit later on the final results, how many bags we got, and if we got it all done today. Bye-bye. Hi everybody, it is now August 18th in the afternoon and took 4 days, but we got the red onions completed. So the counter is now empty and cleaned, and there's Timmy, of course, and vinegared off of all the sticky stuff. And I'll just walk over here. Of course, we have some things to clean up, like the food processor. No, I'll have to bring that to the house. But we got a total in the freezer of 34 bags of red onions. These are gallon bags. And I still have the handicapped area to do at the end of the summer, maybe another 10 bags. So we got a shelf ready for that. Well, take care, you guys. Enjoy your rest of your day. And we'll keep you updated on any future projects. See you later. Bye-bye.